James A. Barry founded Delta Systems on September 30, 1972, as a result of a merger between two companies. Following the merger, the design and manufacturing focus transitioned to switches for lawn and garden equipment. Switches became a significant segment of Delta Systems' overall business, and the product offerings extended to include sealed switches for marine outboard motors. Delta Systems is a dynamic company that has grown from 8 employees in 1,800 square feet of space to a highly successful company of over 250 employees and 136,000 square feet of space. Delta Systems remains a privately held and vertically integrated company, providing quality assurance at each step of the design and manufacturing process. Delta Systems is proud to be the leading supplier of electrical switches, displays, and controls in the outdoor power equipment industry, and continues to expand into adjacent markets. Many of Delta Systems' products can be found integrated into the safety systems and on the operator stations of lawn garden equipment, recreational marine equipment, utility vehicles, grounds care equipment, material handling vehicles, as well as light agricultural and construction equipment. Delta Systems' in-house engineering design teams can transform an idea into a product concept, with prototype parts able to be tested in a short time frame. Delta Systems' vertically integrated manufacturing processes allow us to take new designs and quickly launch production builds to meet tight customer timelines. Quality is designed and built into every step of our products at Delta Systems, starting with team design reviews, prototype testing, simple product builds, all the way through production, with first piece approvals and in-process inspections. Every product is tested 100% for mechanical and electrical functionality. Through constant product innovations, a strong project focus, and automated assembly processes, Delta Systems continues to be competitive in a global economy.